And I still have a little bit of a trouble to get into a role of a teacher. And I need to clean my nose. I laughed about the fact with the doctor and I almost covered myself. Better sweep the damn shop. Oh, you're right. Yeah, that's something that I definitely should do. Well, we can make them to do it since they will be apprentices. Life lesson, trust the GPS when on the river. I missed the boat launch last night. Went way past it. Had to turn around and backtrack. Oh man, like a boat launch? Like they launched without you or something? Oh, be right back. I'll just clear the nose and be right back.